Trouser making part 1. We begin the measurement from the 3/4 inch mark of the tape rule because the waistband is going to be 1/4 inch thick. Next, we move over to getting the trouser length. We had 2 inches allowance for hemming. Next, we move over to getting the crotch length. Now, the using this method and your hip falls out of this range, you might want to be in my DM for clarification. Next, we move over to getting the knee length and the calf length, and we rule horizontal lines. Next, we move over to getting the lap. Now, to mark out the lap, it's the lap, what you measure for the lap, divided by 2. Next, we get the midpoint of that, which is what we're marking out here, and we do so for the calf and the leg opening regions. Next is marking out the round knee. The customer's knee measured 16 inches rather, divided by 2, that gives us 8, and then we mark out 8 inches. Now it's going to be ½ inch more on the right than on the left. The aim of this is to ensure that when the customer wears the trouser, the gaiter points to the front of the trouser, not slightly inwards. And we do the same thing for the calf and the leg opening. Having done that, we join the points together, as you'll be seeing shortly. Right, then move over to getting the waist of the trouser. The waist is the customer's waist divided by 4. Allowance is not added for the waist because it has to be exact. It has to be exact. Then we give 1 inch allowance to whatever we measure divided by 4, which is the sewing allowance. Then we rule a vertical line, and then we create that curve at the point. For beginners, you might want to rule 2 inches by 2 inches and then create a box, and then really curve at that point, and then really a straight line. Next, to move over to creating the pocket marks, which is 7 inches by 2 inches, and then we create a notch when cutting, basically to make the tailors work faster. It doesn't have to start marking out 2 inches by 7 inches when you're sewing. Next is cutting the back panel. So now we take the front panel and turn it over, basically to save fabric. By turning it over, I meant it's not this way, it's this other way, to save fabric. Next, we extend the horizontal lines for the lap, the knee, the calf, and the leg opening, and then we make the back of the lap 3 inches extended. The extension is 3 inches. For the calf, the knee, and the leg opening is 2 inches. Now the lap is bigger than the knee and the leg opening, basically to give the wearer more allowance. Muscles pull, they don't push, so it allows the muscles, when contracting, to have enough. The waist at the back is higher than the front because the buttocks protrude in every human body. Right, so in this video it is 1.5 inches longer than the front, and then that's the horizontal line connecting it to the side of the fabric, and I marked out 4.5 inches for the dart. This was intended to be a crash course. I'm out of time. Please, if you have a question, send a DM. Thank you for watching.